Welcome back again to Shywight Entertainment. We're at Smith Cove Beach after Hurricane Delta has passed. Coming for a morning swim. Never bring my GoPro to see under the water, but you know my goggles, my fin to snorkel. But as I started, I see some things under the water, so I'm gonna show you what I find so far, and I go again and see what else I can find. Let's just see. It's not gonna be underwater recording. It's gonna be more of what I find underneath the water. Alright, so this is what I find so far. Yeah, I find like a marina, 2 Heineken bottle, I snorkel, what is this, goggles for kids, a blue cloth, and the mouthpiece for the snorkeling thing, this piece of thing for the outside light cover, and oh yeah, and I found this green glasses, but I'll keep this one. Alright, so let me go again, see what else I can find. And let's see. There's here from D.E.H. I'm cleaning the leaves and things, rubbish from the beach. Okay, so this is the rest of the video. This water for the first dive. So I search again and I find this one, I don't know what its name, like a piece of shoes, beer can, something cover, and piece of plastic, like a paper or whatever this is, piece of pipe, yeah. And like a ball, it burst. One pieces of board, some nails. So I have to remove it because you know when nobody step on it, hurt themselves. So that does it. If anybody come to Smith Cove, is very nice here, entertaining. So like, share, subscribe.